Hello explorers, welcome back to today's video. After a long week, I decided to come for some shopping, and the best place for that is Busstop7.
Yeah, I just came along for the food. I'm just hungry. Shopping is not my thing.
They have a lot of options, stalls, food stalls, ideas for gifts, jewelry, more food, activities for the kids.
Whatever you can think of, they have it here.
So let's go and show you what we have today.
Yeah, unfortunately they do play a lot of copyrighted music or live bands, so we'll show you all the stalls and then just do some voiceovers to explain to you what's happening. Let's
Time
go.
for some shopping.
Let's go.
Hij is wel cool, hè? Busstop7 is open on Saturdays 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Sundays and public holidays from 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. This is an overview of some of the stalls we passed. There's so much more to see here.
Men, grab a drink, come sit and relax while the women do shopping. Never interfere with a woman while she's shopping.
Wat is die lekkerste tussen daai en daai?
I think this one is best.
Okay, give me one of those, please.
I just don't want to interrupt
It's
the
a
video.
YouTube channel just to show what's happening in Pretoria and so on.
Okay.
I love this.
There's a wide variety of drinks available, and the food options are endless, from shawarmas to pizzas to snacks to desserts, whatever you can think of, they have it.
Parents, this is the perfect place to get rid of your kids' energy. Look at all these activities available. Look, you can even replace your dying houseplants here or get a beautiful bouquet for the lounge.
We just finished our shopping experience, having some nice food and a drink or two. What a lovely place.
It was amazing. Thank you so much for bringing me shopping. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to see more markets.
Yes, thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.